Toyota's CEO just did something no other major automaker has dared to do: announce a brand new pickup truck for the American market with a starting price of just $6,500. If you have been watching truck prices climb past $30,000, $40,000, and $50,000, wondering whether a new work truck that fits a real budget even exists anymore, Toyota just answered that question directly. The Toyota Pixis is arriving with a four-wheel drive system, a long cargo bed with three-way fold-down sides, and fuel economy between 40 and 50 miles per gallon, making every full-size pickup on the market look like an overbuilt, overpriced compromise. Small size, big capability. Here is something worth knowing up front. The Toyota Pixis is going to arrive with a cargo bed that works harder than most trucks twice its size. Three-way fold-down side panels are part of the package, and that changes everything about how cargo gets loaded and unloaded. Anyone who has done real physical work knows exactly how this goes. You pull up to a job, and the first challenge is just getting the gear off the truck, hoisting heavy bags of soil, sliding equipment over a 4-foot tailgate, maneuvering awkward loads into a fixed tub with walls on all sides. That is the problem the Pixis bed is going to solve. Drop all three sides flat and the truck transforms into a fully open platform, accessible from any angle, including from a forklift. There are no wheel arches cutting into the cargo area, so what you're getting is a clean rectangular footprint. Integrated tie-down points and a reinforced headboard keep even irregular loads secured without drama. The real story is what 770 pounds of tools, supplies, or delivery goods means in practice. A 660 cubic centimeter three-cylinder engine tuned for maximum low-speed torque is going to pull that load without breaking a sweat, while fuel economy still lands between 40 and 50 miles per gallon at full capacity. Numbers like that belong to a different category entirely. A capable bed is a great start, but a truck that can only do one thing is a truck that's leaving money on the table, and that is where the Pixis really sets itself apart. Numerous customization options. What truly separates the Pixis from a standard work truck is its potential as a modular platform. Toyota is going to offer a wide range of factory configurations and aftermarket compatible attachment systems, and the list covers a remarkable amount of ground. Think dump beds, refrigerated cargo boxes, and scissor lift platforms built for agricultural use. Each of these transforms the Pixis into a purpose-built machine for a completely different industry. Orchard owners and foresters are going to find a truck that fits the trails they actually work on. Delivery businesses are going to find a vehicle with running costs that don't eat into the profit margin. Most small business owners already know the math. A van or a full-size truck costs too much to buy, too much to fuel, and too much to insure for jobs that don't require all that mass. That is exactly the gap the Pixis is going to fill. A range of exterior color options and trim packages are going to move it well beyond the utility white fleet image it carries in other markets, with LED lighting and Apple CarPlay covering both work and lifestyle buyers. Whether the need is commercial, agricultural, or recreational, the Pixis is going to have a configuration that fits. Now, all of that versatility only matters if you can actually get the truck where it needs to go. And in a crowded city, that is a problem most pickups fail completely. Excellent urban maneuverability. Pull a standard half-ton truck into a tight urban construction site and the compromises start stacking up immediately. The Toyota Pixis is going to eliminate most of those compromises before the driver even puts it in park. This truck can complete a U-turn in a space where a full-size pickup would need a multi-point maneuver. There is a real cost to driving a truck that doesn't fit the environment. Parking 2 blocks from the job, carrying tools back and forth, passing loading zones that are too short for a long bed. These are not small inconveniences, they add up to hours lost every single week. A width of under 4.5 feet is what makes the Pixis genuinely different. Alleyways, tight loading zones, crowded parking garages. These are places where most trucks don't belong and where the Pixis will go without hesitation. There is also the cab forward design to consider. The driver's sight lines are going to be panoramic. No towering hood blocking visibility of low obstacles or pedestrians. In a high traffic environment, that kind of clarity reduces stress and reduces risk, making this a truck that is going to feel like a completely different tool in the city. That kind of maneuverability is impressive, but it raises a fair question. Can a truck this small, this affordable, actually be built to last? The answer might surprise you. No-nonsense design approach. The Pixis is not going to win any awards for flashy styling, and that is entirely the point. Toyota's design priority here is durability, serviceability, and a price tag that genuinely works for buyers on tight margins. The cabin is going to be built from high-durability plastics and water-resistant seat materials, surfaces that get hosed out after a muddy job site, and dry clean. The body-on-frame chassis is going to be engineered on the same fundamental principles as Toyota's larger commercial vehicles, built to absorb hard daily use without without complaint. The cooling system is going to be oversized for constant stop-and-go operation in summer heat, and the leaf spring rear suspension tuned to handle maximum payload on a regular basis. For anyone who has owned a work vehicle long enough, repair bills are usually what kill the math. A few service visits, a set of specialty tires, a complex emission system, and the savings from a lower sticker price disappear fast. That is the trap the Pixis is designed to avoid. Maintenance is going to be straightforward and genuinely affordable. Smaller tires, an accessible engine bay, and no complex systems to service. Because the Pixis shares components across the broader Daihatsu and Toyota ecosystem, parts availability is going to be strong from day one. A tough, low-maintenance truck built for city work sounds like the complete package until you realize the Pixis has one more capability that nobody expected from something this size. Adventure ready. Here is where the Pixis tends to surprise people. A vehicle this small has no business being this capable off the road, but it is. Most trims are going to come equipped with a four-wheel drive system and a low-range gear setting, giving the Pixis legitimate crawling ability across mud, snow, and loose terrain. A lot of the work that actually needs doing happens well off the pavement, on farm roads, forest trails, and access paths that most trucks are simply too wide or too heavy to navigate. The Pixis is going to reach those places with ease. At roughly 700 to 800 kilograms, it floats over soft surfaces that would swallow a 3-ton pickup whole. A short wheelbase and minimal overhangs produce approach and departure angles that larger trucks simply cannot match. Drop into a ditch, climb the other side, no scraping, no hesitation. The optional rear differential lock takes that capability further still, forcing both rear wheels to turn at the same speed and finding traction on icy boat ramps or uneven terrain where most trucks simply spin. For buyers who need a work vehicle that can actually reach the work, this is a capability package that goes well beyond what the price tag would suggest. And speaking of the price tag, after everything this truck is going to offer, the number Toyota is targeting for the US market is the kind of figure that stops the conversation cold. Release date and price. Everything covered in this video, the cargo versatility, the customization depth, the maneuverability, the off-road capability, is going to be available for a starting price of just $6,500. That is not a typo, and it is not a stripped-down special. It is Toyota's confirmed target for the base Pixis when it reaches North American showrooms. To hit that number, Toyota will need to establish US production, already part of the plan, and the key condition that keeps pricing competitive without import tariff exposure cutting into the equation. Based on the current timeline, the Pixis is going to arrive in approximately 2 to 3 years. The Toyota Pixis is arriving as something the American truck market has genuinely never seen before. A sub $7,000 starting price attached to a vehicle with a versatile fold-down cargo bed, a 660 cubic centimeters engine returning up to 50 miles per gallon, a four-wheel drive system with low-range gearing, and enough customization options to serve everyone from small business owners to weekend adventurers. It is going to be compact enough to go where full-size trucks can't, tough enough to handle daily workloads without flinching, and simple enough to maintain without the repair bills that quietly erase the savings from a lower sticker price. With a 2 to 3 year timeline to arrival, the Toyota Pixis is shaping up to be the most disruptive thing to happen to the American truck segment in a very long time. But guess what? It's not the only Kei truck that's coming to the US market. Other Japanese manufacturers are bringing their models too, including Subaru and its $8,000 you can check out in our next video. Genuine utility, strong capabilities, and comprehensive practicality will instantly put this model at the top of the most desirable small trucks on the market once it arrives.